Today, I am in the magnificent mountainous region of the Laurel Highlands, which spans 3,000 square miles of Fayette, Somerset, and Westmoreland counties in southwestern Pennsylvania. The area offers spectacular mountain natural scenery, tumbling waterfalls, wild trout streams, and the amazing Ohio State Park with the mighty Youghiogheny rolling through it. It is truly an outdoor oasis. I'm RVing with my beautiful wife Christy and our dog Brookie. I'll be chasing some trout and enjoying some absolutely incredible fall foliage. Welcome to another episode of Wild Blue Discovery up here in the Laurel Highlands this morning, and it is cold. It's our last camping trip of the 2022 season. Beautiful fall colors up here, and meeting a buddy this morning. They're going to go do some fly fishing. Going to go chase some trout, and then go do some hiking around, messing around after that. But it is cold. Diamondback this morning had heavy frost on it. This is, I would say, peak weekend, which is we're not quite to mid-October, so definitely came quicker this year. But anyway, I'm gonna head out, grab a coffee, and maybe put some air in the tires too. So anyway, we'll see you here in a little bit on the water. And my GPS didn't bring me to the right spot to begin with for some reason.
Oh, really?
some nice video this morning here. This is beautiful.
Oh, great.
This is gorgeous up here.
Great color.
It was is that frost?
Weird, because it's actually feels like it's raining. Like it's frost.
Yeah, it must be the frost. It was
yeah.
The frost was heavy. Well, I sent you that picture of the Diamondback.
Yeah.
Heavy as heck. All right, up here fishing Laurel Creek, so kind of the upper end of things. Well, the upper end of the delayed harvest. So let's see what we can get into. We've got a nice looking hole here. Gonna see if we can get one out of it. All right, got one there on the white Rainbow Warrior lively legs. On that lively legs Rainbow Warrior. Nice. White-legged Rainbow Warrior. Lively legs fly. Hit it again. You had one.
We decided to switch streams. The conditions can be tough in the fall with low, clear water, but it makes you a better fly fisherman as your presentation needs to have more stealth.
Look at that. Holy shit, Mike. That is unbelievably beautiful.
Nice work.
Look at the color on that.
Oh my God, look at that thing. That is pretty.
Absolutely gorgeous
Yeah.
brookie or tiger here. Wow. Coloring is just incredible. Man, oh man.
It's not being very cooperative.
No. Incredible colors.
That was awesome, man.
Release this jewel of a fish. Piece of jewelry there. That is incredible. Hey, yeah, you got it in a good spot. There it is.
Oh.
You see it?
Yeah.
It's like it missed it. It's like it hit at it but missed it. There you go. Nice one. That one may be a stocky. Here, I got my net. You're good. You're good. You're good. Oh, that is a stocky. Nice. Oh, oh, oh.
Dude, that is a honey hole. Look at that thing. Wow. That is a honey hole, buddy.
Oh my gosh, look at that stuff.
Dang.
Did I hit the top?
It did. You right on the drive, dude. You're right on the drive.
That's the biggest fish all day, brother.
That is, dude.
This beast that Eric caught, man. Nice big old baby, beautiful. Look at releasing a little steelhead. Go on up there, buddy. Go on home.
The size of that thing.
Yeah, go ahead.
That's crazy.
Nobody's skunked. That's good. Oh, little teeny brookie. A little brown one or two.
Oh,
Come on. That's fine. A little self-release. There you go. That's a nice brookie. That's all colored up. Here. Nice, pretty brookie. All right, well, that's a wrap this morning here. It's early afternoon, a little after 1:30. That's a wrap fishing here in the absolutely beautiful fall foliage of the Laurel Highlands, and caught some stockies, and wow, that jewel of a maybe tiger trout was honestly the most beautiful tiger brook trout I've ever caught in my life. That was incredible. Little piece of God's jewelry right there. So well, welcome to morning 2 of this little Laurel Highlands getaway, long weekend. Some Pennsylvania beautiful going on. Go out and chase some trout this morning here, then do a little bit of fall adventuring, looking at foliage and stuff later probably. But truck says 39 degrees and online it says 52. It's a pretty big difference. It's a big cold difference. So anyway, see if any fish are awake, and they'll be awake, but will they be warm enough to bite? So see you on the water. This looks like this might be a wild fish. That is either a long-term holdover or a wild fish. And the markings look wild. That appears to be a wild brown, which is really cool. And it hit the Lively Legs Rainbow Warrior white-legged. First wild brown I've ever caught with one of those. The stream does have some natural reproduction, but I was expecting to catch. But the truth of the matter is I was chasing stockies, so hey, that's a good morning right there, just catching that fish. So see where we go from here. Isn't that ruffled? White-legged Rainbow Warrior. The Lively Legs. Oh wow. There was one hiding down there. Yes. Nice wild brown. Right there's why you go to different tactics with euronymphing. Put on a little micro streamer. The water is so very clear and tough here in the fall conditions. And boy, nice wild brown. Nice one. Look at that. About a 13-inch strong wild fish. Took a little green micro streamer. Dang, cool. Nice, about a 13-inch beautiful wild brown right there. Well, that's a wrap of 2 mornings fishing in the Laurel Highlands. That was my biggest wild brown ever in the Laurel Highlands. Around the 13-inch, had some shoulders on it. Yeah, it wasn't huge, but small stream. That was a kind of a small stream giant, but certainly fall, clear, tough conditions, but shows why you got to use different tactics. A little micro streamer got the trick done.
got her done. So I mean, yeah, you gotta try different things. I was up at Central PA recently, and the water, it's even tougher up there in the fall. So, but anyway, tight lines. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell, and check out our next video. Tight lines. Have a great one.